PHE Minister Marcus Marak has announced that Jal Jeevan Mission has reached up to 73.96% of all households in the state. The government hopes to have reached the 100% target or 6.5 lakh households by March of this year. While acknowledging that there have been problems obtaining land for the projects, he explained that most of the projects have taken off while some are currently stalled because of power connections.
We have connected to 4,80,039 households in entire state, and in percentage we have reached the 73.69%. So we are progressing.